The story of a plant's life cycle. Living things change during their lives. Most living things begin their lives small and then grow larger. They may develop certain features as they change into adults. They reproduce to make more living things of the same kind. Eventually, living things do die. The stages through which a living thing passes during its life are called a life cycle. Many plants go through similar stages during their life cycles, but plant life cycles can differ in important ways. For example, plants reproduce in different ways. Most plants make seeds that can grow into new plants. Some plants reproduce by making spores instead of seeds. Plants that reproduce in different ways have different life cycles. We will look at the life cycle of a pumpkin seed. A pumpkin plant is kind of a flowering plant. The life cycle of a pumpkin plant has several stages. First is the germinating seed. A pumpkin seed germinates when water, oxygen, and warm temperatures are present. A stem grows up and roots grow down. The second stage is the growth. The young plant grows leaves and starts to make sugar for food. It grows into an adult plant with flowers. Next is the pollination. Some pumpkin flowers make pollen. Other flowers use that pollen to make seeds. Pollination happens when pollen moves from one pumpkin flower to another. The last stage would be the adult plant with its seeds. The pumpkin is a fruit made by the pumpkin plant. It contains seeds formed after pollination. The seeds can become new plants. The purpose of today was to demonstrate an understanding of how plants change during their life cycles. We learned that a life cycle is the stages through which a living thing passes during its life. Finally, we learned that all plants go through life cycles, and look closely at how a pumpkin went from a seed to a flowering plant.